An important area of application of ZIPAM materials is the fluidization of fine-grained powders. In silo technology, these hardly flowing powders prevent the smooth discharge from the bin. The simulation shows examples of common ensuing problems such as bridging or rat holing, which occur during the unloading of the silo. If difficulties like these are recognized, the installation of a fluidization bottom made of ZIPAM may help to solve the problems. A porosity that is specifically adapted to the bulk material and the precise control of the air supply bring the bulk material to flow again. ZIPAM, highly porous sintered materials.